Take a look at this kitchen for a moment. It's a rental kitchen. Same cabinets, same layout, same appliances. But everything you're seeing here is completely temporary. Nothing permanent was installed, no holes were drilled, and every single upgrade can be removed in under an hour. Even better, the entire transformation costs less than what most people spend on a nice dinner out. That means you can dramatically upgrade your kitchen while still getting your full security deposit back. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 renter-friendly upgrades that instantly make a basic kitchen look custom and expensive. The second one is the trick that designers quietly use all the time when they want a kitchen to look finished. And the fourth upgrade completely changes how the countertops look. Why rental kitchens feel cheap. Most rental kitchens suffer from the exact same design problems. The cabinets tend to be some variation of brown or beige. The lighting is usually a single overhead fixture, and the walls are often left completely bare. Add in older appliances, and the whole space ends up feeling unfinished. The good news is that most of these issues aren't structural, they're visual. And that means they can be fixed with a few smart upgrades that don't require any permanent changes. Let's start with the fastest improvement in this entire kitchen. Luxury upgrade number 1. The 5-minute hardware upgrade. One of the easiest ways to modernize a rental kitchen is by replacing the cabinet hardware. It might seem like a small detail, but knobs and pulls have a surprisingly big impact on how cabinets look. Think of hardware as the jewelry of your kitchen. Old, bulky knobs can make cabinets feel dated, while simple modern pulls instantly create a cleaner and more intentional look. Swapping them out is very straightforward. All you need to do is measure the distance between the screw holes on your current hardware and purchase new pulls with the same spacing. Once you have the replacements, simply unscrew the old hardware and install the new pieces using the existing holes. The whole process usually takes only a few minutes per cabinet. Just make sure to keep the original hardware in a labeled bag so you can reinstall it before moving out. Upgrading the hardware helps a lot, but it doesn't completely change the kitchen on its own. The next upgrade is the one that really makes the space look finished. Luxury upgrade number 2, the faux backsplash. One thing many rental kitchens are missing is a backsplash. Instead of tile behind the counter, there's often just a painted wall, which can make the entire space look plain and incomplete. Backsplashes add texture, color, and visual structure to a kitchen, but installing real tile obviously isn't practical in most rentals. This is where peel and stick tile becomes incredibly useful. These tiles are specifically designed for temporary installation. They come in styles that mimic subway tile, stone, or geometric patterns, and many of them look surprisingly realistic once installed. Applying them is straightforward. First, clean the wall thoroughly so the adhesive sticks properly. Next, measure your space and cut the tiles if needed, especially around outlets. Then peel off the backing and press the sheets firmly onto the wall. Using a credit card or small squeegee helps smooth out any bubbles and keeps the finish looking clean. If you ever need to remove the backsplash later, warming the adhesive slightly with a hairdryer makes it easy to peel off. If you enjoy renter-friendly upgrades like this, consider subscribing. This channel focuses on practical ways to make everyday spaces look more elevated without expensive renovations. Luxury upgrade number 3, under cabinet lighting. Lighting is another area where rental kitchens often fall short. Most rely entirely on a single ceiling fixture, which creates flat lighting and leaves the counters feeling dim. Higher-end kitchens almost always use layered lighting, and one of the most effective layers is under cabinet lighting. Installing small LED strips or puck lights underneath the cabinets creates a warm glow across the countertop. Not only does it make food prep easier, it also adds depth and atmosphere to the space. Many of these lights are rechargeable or battery-powered and attach with simple adhesive strips, so installation takes just a few minutes. It's a small upgrade, but once the lights turn on in the evening, the kitchen immediately feels more polished. But there's still one problem that many renters deal with: outdated appliances. Let's fix that next. Luxury upgrade number 4, the countertop upgrade that changes everything. If there's one surface that defines how expensive a kitchen looks, it's the countertop. Many rental kitchens come with laminate counters that are scratched, dull, or stuck in a color from 20 years ago. Even if the rest of the kitchen looks decent, outdated countertops tend to make the entire space feel tired. But there's a surprisingly effective renter solution: removable countertop covers. These are thick adhesive sheets designed to mimic materials like marble, quartz, or concrete. When installed properly, they can dramatically change how the countertop looks without replacing anything. Applying them takes a little patience, but the process is straightforward. Start by cleaning the surface thoroughly so the adhesive sticks properly. Then measure your counter sections and cut the sheet slightly larger than the area you're covering. Peel the backing slowly as you press the material onto the counter, smoothing it with a credit card or small squeegee as you go. This helps remove air bubbles and keeps the finish looking smooth. Many of these finishes have subtle texture and realistic patterns that make them look surprisingly convincing on camera. And if you ever need to remove it, the material peels off without damaging the original surface underneath. For renters dealing with dark laminate counters, this single upgrade can completely change how the entire kitchen feels. And once that surface changes, the entire kitchen starts to feel like a renovation instead of a rental. Final reveal. Let's look at the kitchen again. The layout hasn't changed. The cabinets are the same, the appliances are the same, and nothing permanent was installed. But a few small upgrades completely changed the overall feeling of the space. New cabinet hardware made the cabinets feel more modern. The peel and stick backsplash added texture and visual interest. Under-cabinet lighting introduced warmth and depth. And the appliance wrap helped older appliances blend into the design instead of standing out. All of these upgrades are temporary, renter-friendly, and easy to remove when it's time to move out. Wrap up. If you're renting, you don't have to settle for a kitchen that feels dull or outdated. Small changes like these can dramatically improve how the space looks and feels. Which upgrade made the biggest difference to you? Let me know in the comments, and if you'd like to see more renter-friendly glow-ups and practical home upgrades, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.